Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through these here: engine oil level low, engine oil level low, and you've got P2262. So these two, I think I've gathered what they are, and I'm sure I've gathered also what the problem is here. I'm going to go through it so you can get an idea, so you're not having to spend thousands. Well, you may do in this case, but I'll try and save you that amount. Now, I'll start off with the top one, P226200. This is the turbo. Now, the turbo is here. I mean, it does mess up on some cars out there. But what I've gathered on this vehicle, on this specific vehicle, is there is a lot of air leaks from the engine component. And we can tell by looking at the, as you can see, there's a puddle of oil there. And that has answered our question. And you can see how much it's leaking here. We can clearly see that there's cracks in these, the hoses aren't correct. So this has also caused the turbo to fail and not work as it should. But, you know, this is just a guess. Most common failure on these turbos are the actuator here. They do seize up, as you can see, these lever here may not work. It's actually a bit, but that'll be the other cause of it as well. So, and it's very unlikely you'll buy this separate. It both comes together, probably £1,000 or so, even more. But that's what that'll be. And then with the other two, it's detected oil level low. Now, it could be the oil level sensor, but in this case, we certainly know there's a lot of oil leak around the engine, and they need to be rectified. They're all like gaskets, if you ask me. Get the gaskets, reseal them, done, and that should hopefully cure it, top the oil back up, jobs are good in. So yeah, like we said, turbo, if that. But the other thing I would also check as well is the turbo piping, the transducers. So them there, they do mess up, they are known. So I would just test them, as in pressure test them, and see if they are working. You've got that one there as well to check. So make sure that the piping, one of the most common issue is this one here. They do rub against it, as you can see. I don't know why they build them like this, to be fair, but they're the things you can look out for. And it's a case of track and trace, really. If they're all fine, then yeah, it's definitely a turbo.